Welcome. Today we're covering build your first AI chatbot in 30 minutes. No code needed. Your competitor launched an AI chatbot last week. It answers customer questions at 3 a.m., qualifies leads while they sleep, and never asks for a day off. And here's the kicker. They build it in less time than it takes to watch a Netflix episode. No developers. No coding. No BS. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to walk you through building your very first AI chatbot from absolute zero. Whether you run a small shop in Yangon, a consulting firm in Singapore, or an e-commerce brand anywhere in Southeast Asia, this video will change how you think about customer service forever. Here's exactly what we cover. Small diamond: why 2025 is the year every business needs a chatbot. And the real cost of not having one. Small diamond: the 3 best no-code chatbot platforms compared. And which one I actually recommend. Small diamond: setting up your account and configuring your first bot in real time. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.